candidates, in my opinion, is a deceptive ballot. I'm here to speak in defense of the public.
Some candidates running for election will not be appearing on the ballot in November. Good evening, I'm Jeff Smith.
And I'm Gina Quattrochi. News Channel 18's Tiffany Dismore explains why. Tiffany.
Gina, as News Channel 18 told everyone last week, a new Indiana code doesn't allow those running for a county seat or city seat unopposed to appear on the ballot. Many disagree with this and went before the Tippecanoe County Election Board asking it to overrule the new state code and list all candidates' names at the polls.
A ballot without those candidates, in my opinion, is a deceptive ballot.
One by one, elected officials from Greater Lafayette came before the Board of Elections asking them to go against the code, as some other Indiana counties have, and list all candidates on the ballot.
How can one be sworn in if they have not been duly elected?
Voter Michael Smith filed a complaint to the board.
I believe the Indiana Constitution is clear on this. I believe that all the folks have to be on the ballot. Article 2 of the state constitution says that they have to be on the ballot. I think that trumps Indiana code.
Election board member and attorney Kent Moore agrees.
It doesn't make a lot of sense.
Moore says the new code is no way to run a proper election, and the board should consider putting all names on the ballot.
Bottom line, I think it's just simply the right thing to do.
As I do not have a second, the motion fails.
The motion died and the board did not vote.
The best place to decide this would be in a court, and if the court decides to view the law as unconstitutional, then that's their choice.
County Clerk Krista Coffey, who is a voting member of the election board, says the law is clear and she has to abide by it.
I would be potentially charged with a Class D felony for official misconduct.
Democratic Lafayette Mayor Tony Rosworski plans to file a lawsuit against the state.
I think I have to keep fighting. I'm going to continue to try to push forward with it. If I win, great. If I lose, then I can look myself in the mirror knowing I tried to do what was right for the citizens of Lafayette.
Rosworski says his campaign will pay for the lawsuit.
County Republican Party Chair Bob Hicks wrote a letter to the board saying he didn't like the law but felt it isn't appropriate to ask the board to ignore or violate the law. Tiffany Dismore, News Channel 18.